Hello everyone, I'm going to cook stir-fry string beans with fried fish for our dinner. It's very delicious. First, we are going to put 2 tablespoons of oil and then 1/2 of onion and stir it. You have to stir it very well into translucent, and 3 cloves of fresh garlic chopped. When the garlic is cooked and onions, you have to put 1 tablespoon of shrimp paste or bagoong na binayo na uyak na binayo. And then you have to add 2 bands of string beans. You have to cut that kind slice. It's like Asian string beans. I bought this somewhere. And 1/4 cup of water, and also 1 tablespoon of beef powder and 1 tablespoon of sugar, white sugar or brown sugar, and simmer it until the string bean is cooked. And then you stir it. This kind of vegetables one of my favorite, and I want that like cooked very well and soup. And then add 1 tablespoon beef powder, and also I add like 1 tablespoon of black pepper. And add the fried fish. This fried fish, guys, I fried this. They call in Asian fish like milk fish. So it already marinated, and then I fried it, and then I cut half, and then I put there instead. You can put the string beans with the chicken breast or whatever meat or beef, whatever you want, or fish. But I want like fish, so I don't need to put meat. So I chose fish. So now you have to flip over the fish. So then you have to boil it, making sure the fish, and you have to add like 1/4 black pepper. You have to estimate the taste, guys, and salt to taste, like 1/4 tablespoon of salt, because I already put beef powder and also a shrimp paste. And also you have to taste it, making sure the food is okay. And then now the food is ready to serve. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe Asian Cooking with MJ, and please like and leave comment and share. Thank you very much, and God bless.